cute festival summer tops I've made so far in 2024. It's time for fun outdoor events, music festivals, and travel to the beach. Welcome to the channel for Ellis Crochet. Once you learn how to make the cups for your top, how to connect them, make the shoulder straps, and the support around the rib cage, you can expand and get creative with your ideas. This includes adding trim, beads, creative edging, and even padding to the inside of your crochet top. There's a lot of videos you can find on making the tops. I learned from a book some years ago. If you are a beginner, I would find a tutorial that focuses on making the cups in different sizes. That's bra sizes A, B, C, D, and so forth. And then learn how to connect them. If you plan on selling your tops, consider displaying different sizes as opposed to different colors. When I do vendor and craft events, people are more concerned and will ask for bigger or smaller sizes. I try to do colorful combinations, but then it depends on your audience of shoppers, as sometimes people want neutrals or black and white. Try to have multiple sizes at events because I've found that once people leave the event, they're not likely to go to your website and order later. Your biggest concern should be fit and coverage and support. I've been into fringe for a while now, and I have a video up on the channel on how to attach the fringe to your tops. You can always do special requests and custom orders on my website. This is a top I made in pink and gold. I sold them at an in-person event. The trim of the fringe was pre-made, and I purchased it from my local fabric store. Here you'll see me trying on the top. I tie it at the back of the neck and then across the back and under the rib cage. On the larger tops, I do add more rows at the bottom for more support and more straps around the chest and the back. You can shop the website etsy.com/shop/BK's Illis. Here I play around with some edging. This is a scallop edging on the bottom. And you can find all these tops on the Etsy site. I will also be adding matching shorts and cover-up bottoms to this collection to go with the tops. Peace and stay tuned for more designs.